back. In this video I have something very different monitor today. Its model is HD Stanmon 24 and it is on a base stand. I'll show you how you can remove this stand. And this monitor I think has a VGA and HDMI port. So I'll show you how you can remove this stand. As usual, we'll leave in a flat surface and we'll remove the base plate, and then we'll remove the old screw. And this is ready. This is how you can remove this stand.